Hey guys, it's me Abby and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, ipapakita ko sa inyo ang tatlong DIY project na ginawa ko. As you guys can see on the title, I made a vase, food storage, and also a decor that's hanging on my wall. So, I'm really excited to do this for you guys kasi hindi pa ako nakagawa ng DIY videos. So, hopefully magustuhan nyo. So, the first thing that I want to show you guys is this vase. This is, a very nice vase actually. It's made out of bagoong jar. So, literal, yung bagoong na sausawan ng mangga yung ginamit ko for this specific project. And then this one naman is lagayan ko ng blueberry jam. And then I did something on the cap, which I'm gonna show you guys later. And also this hanging, I don't know if you call this macrame. Hindi ko alam, hindi ko sigurado kung anong tawag niyo dito, but it's really cute. It's kind of bohemian, I would say. It's bohemian style, and I love it. You can hang this pretty much anywhere in your living room, in your bedroom, kitchen, I don't know. But I will try to show you guys on how it looks like when it's hung on my wall here in my living room. So, sobrang simple lang ng mga gamit na ginamit ko dito, seriously. And also, I just want to share that I got this from outside, dito lang sa kalsada namin, which is really cute. And I think this is actually gonna dry up really nicely. It's medyo dry na siya, pero pag nag-dry pa siya, it's gonna turn brown, which I love. So I'm gonna keep it that way. And yeah, without further ado, if you guys want to learn on how I made all these things, then please keep on watching. Okay, for our first project, we're gonna be doing a vase. So we're gonna make sure first that we're gonna wash all the jars that we have. Now, let's get started. We need any type of jar. Kahit anong jar pwede nyo gamitin. But this project, I'm using the bagoong jar. And then the twine string, any type of cloth. This is a little bit rough cloth. And then we need scissors, tape, and glue as well. And of course, random grass. So, magka-cut tayo ng square na shape dito sa tela na to. It doesn't have to be perfect. Minamano-mano ko lang siya actually. Walang measurements or anything like that. Just a square cloth. And that's it. And then we're gonna remove the cap. And then, i-cover natin yung jar with this cloth. Tapos, lalagyan natin siya actually ng rubber band to secure it. As you guys can see, it's very simple to do. And also, pagkatapos natin lagyan ng rubber band, we're gonna make sure that, you know, everything's looking nice. If you're happy with it, then that's good. You're gonna tweak it a little bit, open up the tela ng konti, and then we're gonna wrap it with a twine string. Nilagyan ko siya at least 3 to 4 times ng twine string to cover up the rubber band para hindi siya masyadong kita. And then I'm gonna end it with a nice ribbon, and that's it. You should get more. So, kumuha kami nito pang decorate. I don't know what I'm gonna do with this, but I think it's really cute to put inside my house. So, my boyfriend is just getting me a bunch of it sa tapat ng simbahan. A little bit more. Okay, so ang gagawin ko, pagsasama-samahin ko lahat ng same type of grass, and then ita-tape ko siya. Ika-cut ko muna, and then I'm gonna tape it up para hindi siya masyadong gumalaw. I'm also gonna do the same on the other ones, but I'm not gonna tape the end of it kasi I want it to look like it's spread out. So, as you guys can see, I'm gonna cut it first. And then, if nakita ko na medyo mahaba siya, I'm gonna cut it more. Kasi mababa lang naman yung jar natin. So, I think it's better to cut it shorter. And then I'm gonna spread it out and put in the ones that we did earlier. And of course, I feel like it's kulang pa. Lalagyan ko pa siya ng maraming dahon, which is this type of dahon na nakita ko lang din sa labas. So, It's very, very simple to make and very, very sophisticated looking, like a very farmhousey vibe. I would say that for sure. So yeah, this is how it goes. This is how it looks like for our first project. The next one we're gonna make is this jar as well. It was my blueberry jar, and then i-cover natin yung cover basically. So gagawin natin siyang cute. I'm gonna put glue first on top of my cover, and then may make sure ko nadidikit siya dun sa cloth na gagamitin natin. I use the same cloth on our first project and let it dry for a little while. And then I'm gonna wrap a rubber band also around this cover. Actually guys, I'm so sorry kasi I wasn't able to record it. I thought napindot ko yung recording button but hindi. So basically, ayan ang itsura niya. Nilagyan ko siya ng twine, like a lot of twine string. Kasi hindi ko masyadong makover yung blue na rubber band. You can still see it, but it's okay. Just keep on wrapping it with twine string, and then actually you can use this for any type of storage. Like you can use brown sugar, baking soda. I just use chocolate chips for this one, and it actually really looks cute. Okay, so the last project, we need this wooden circle. I don't know how you call it. And then this lubid. It's thinner. And then meron pa tayo isang lubid na mas makapal like this. Also yarn, 3 different colors. I have brown, gray, and black. So what we're gonna do basically is we're gonna cut one long string in half. Like so. Pagka-cut natin dyan, ilalagay natin siya dun sa wooden circle in a like triangular shape. Tapos isi-secure natin siya. We're gonna loop it around and then secure it again on the other side. We're gonna do the same thing, pero pabaliktad naman yung triangle. So, opposite. And then, yung natira dun sa tabi, we're also gonna secure that dun sa baba. So, mag-braid naman tayo ngayon ng ating yarn. Sobrang simple lang. It's like you're braiding hair. We're gonna keep doing it. Papahabain natin siya. And then I'm gonna show you guys after kung anong gagawin ko sa kanya. So now that we have the long braids, we're also gonna do the same thing, a triangular shape. And then we're gonna secure it as well. So ngayon, kukunin naman natin yung malaking lupit. Gagawa tayo na parang pang-hang sa ibabaw. So we're gonna secure it like this. Ayan, tatali natin siya. Magli-leave tayo ng space on the top para dun sa hook na kung saan natin nilalagay yan. And then, after natin gawin yung pang-hang, we're now gonna wrap it around the wooden circle. So, as you guys can see, pinapaikot-ikot ko lang siya dun sa wood. Just keep going until you reach dun sa middle, sa baba. We're also gonna do the same thing actually dun sa left side. Magmi-meet yung lubid in the middle, which you will see in a while. Ayan, so once na-reach natin sa middle, we're gonna secure it together. Lulup lang natin siya ng ilulup and then itatali natin siya to make sure that it's not going to move or anything like that. So now we're gonna cut small pieces of the lubid again, and then ilalagay natin siya dun sa baba to make like a very nice flowy look. what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna secure it again. Papasok ko lang siya dun sa loop and then that's how it looks like. Just keep on doing it. Maybe add 6 to 8 of this until it gets thicker. Make sure that it's different sizes para hindi siya perfect looking masyado. And then, tatanggalin na natin yung pagdikit-dikit niya. Hiwa-hiwalayin natin yung lubid para kumapal siyang tingnan. More like hair type. Magmumukha siyang buhok. Actually, some people brush it with a hair comb, but I didn't do that. I like it this way. And now what we're gonna do to add more oomph to it, dun sa style na to, I'm gonna braid with black yarn dito sa ends of my lubid. So ayan, as you guys can see, tuloy-tuloy ko lang siyang ginagawa. I added probably 4 to 8 braids to it with the black yarn. And I really, really like the look of it. Since, you know, the theme of my house is black, gray, and brown. So yeah, this is how it looks like in my living room. I really, really like the vibe of it. And also, I tried putting the vase in my kitchen and also the chocolate chip jar that I have. Alright, you guys, that's pretty much it about this video. Sobrang nag-enjoy akong gumawa ng DIY video for you guys. I really hope that you guys tried this at home. And if you do, please send a photo to me on my Instagram. Follow me at AbbyBubbly. I would love to see your work. And if you guys want me to make more videos like this, please let me know in the comments down below. And I will try my best to think out of the box. Kasi, guys, nung ginagawa ko to kanina, hindi ko talaga alam kung anong direksyon or anong itsura ang gusto kong mangyari dito sa mga jars na meron ako and also dun sa mga materials na meron ako. So, itong nasa likod ko, actually, I have no idea what I was gonna do with it. I really like it. I would probably put it there or move it somewhere else. Hindi ko pa sure kung saan ko talaga ihahang tong wall decor. Anyway, maraming salamat sa inyo guys kasi malapit na tayong umabot ng 5,000 subscribers and I'm super duper happy because a lot of you guys comment nicely to me and kundi dahil sa mga comments nyo, like I said before, I wouldn't be making this kind of videos. I know I get some hate comments sometimes pero hindi ko na lang sila pinapansin. Minsan nire-replyan ko kasi medyo may pagkamatari ako pero hinahayaan ko na lang kasi mas marami sa inyo na nire-respeto ako at talagang pinapanood yung mga videos ko and thank you for all your support. Please do share my videos to your family, to your friends. I would really, really appreciate that, guys. Let me know in the comments down below if you want me to make more videos like this. I will try my best to be creative as much as possible if I can still think out of the box. By the way, please like this video and don't forget to subscribe and I will definitely see you on the next one. Bye!